I spent over 2 weeks recovering this machine from being parked in somebody's front garden for over a month in the month of January. This Olympia SG3 was totally rusted throughout when I got it on Christmas Day. And some people managed to post and comment underneath the videos that showed the process of cleaning this, and told me that they didn't understand I had the energy yet the patience for this kind of work. I didn't. I'm honest, I didn't. I spent over 2 weeks on it, and after about a week I got crazy. Didn't do anything else than scrubbing rust off and getting these keys unstuck. I think I spent a total of 4 or 5 days in just getting the keys loose because they were frozen solid. Carriage was also frozen. The only lever that worked when I got it was the actual paper feed, and wasn't working up to very well back then either. Anyway, after that process I got the machine to work. Still isn't perfect, but it works. The carriage is very noisy, grindy, as if it's going on some kind of concrete. And the keys require an extra spring, because else the ribbon vibrator will stick up, the machine will jam up. Chrome on this lever was totally in pieces and was flaking off when I got it, so I just managed to scrape everything off, and it's now just a dull metal carriage twin lever. And there is still some rust spotting yet. However, 2 days ago I managed to purchase for $5 in a thrift store another SG3 in mint condition, which I have over here. I'll put the light on it for it more clear. And that stupid bulb is still not working properly. Here is my mint condition SG3. This is the older version of this one. This is a 1963. This is my 1969. And as you can see, it's in very good shape. The only real damage that I could find to the paint was, well, really, I think it's about here. You can see it slightly. It's just from rubbing against this, from opening and closing for so many times. It's very slight mark here. If it's focus, well, let me focus. Yes, it will. That's a mark. Well, you saw it before it went crazy. And there's a slight wear mark. You were there. That's all. That's completely all there is to it, really. This machine is in great shape. I got the chrome lever is perfect. The machine operates. The carriage moves like butter, which is quite a difference compared to this one. However, this machine is more modern, as can be seen by the coal color keys. The ribbon in here is from the other SG3. I put a new one in here, but I decided to switch around since I will be using this one more than this one, since this one is in battered shape and this one is almost perfect. However, there is some significant differences from the newer model to the older model. For example, less features. It's missing the automatic paper feed lever on this side of the carriage, which Olympia SG1s and the old SG3s have. And it is missing, I think there was some, oh yeah, this margin release also automatically unjams 2 keys when they're jammed in here. This one does not. However, this machine is equipped with a 1 key and has this very funny key that I've never seen before. It dots. It gives dots on paper, but not just one, several. It's quite interesting. Let's see if I can get this cover off. No, I cannot. Just let me put it down for a second. I'll take the cover off so you can see inside. It's quite hard. You can see the slight damage on the cover. And this is the inside. Absolutely beautiful. The color of the metal that they did with the Olympias is absolutely astonishing. Very good shape. No scratches, no damage, nothing. The machine is in very good state. Like I said, the ribbon is brand new. And I will put some paper in so you can see it actually operate. Don't know if I will be doing very well with one hand, but just try. I think it is in. Yeah. Oh, let me just put the cover back on. Oh yeah, and some different features is as well is these plastic paper guides are tightened by pulling this lever. They will push the paper against the platen to just release this. You just pull it out. It's very interesting. I don't know if they made that clear, but that's how it works. I don't know how to explain that properly. Let me just put the cover back on. Like I said, the cover is in very good shape. The overall condition of this machine just indicates that this hasn't been used a lot or has been very well taken care of. One thing that I found interesting is that I looked on the internet, and apparently whenever you see a number like that, it indicates that this machine was insured, which indicates it was used either in a business or in schooling. This machine has it, and this one has it. Like, just with marker written. It's very interesting. Okay, however, let's get to business here. Told you I would make a mistake. So I made one mistake, but that's decent. As you can see, the type is very, very clear. Ribbon is very good as well. I put the ribbon that came with this machine in that one, which still is decent, so it can still be used, and I will so, because, you know, after all the energy I put into it, I'd still want to use it. It will be used less, so I don't know. I'll put it on for display on my shelving. This machine, I still have the cover for this machine actually. It's very nice. It's still in very good shape. It says Olympia, made in Canada. It's a Canadian machine. It's very interesting. This machine is a crossover from that machine to this machine. This machine is equipped with already with the black keys, which indicates it's a newer model, yet however it still has the original logo. After this they came on a rectangle, black letters, and a orange eye from Olympia. I think BK Typewriters 101 has Brian Crook has is showing off. This camera's not focusing, I'm sorry. The young collector Brian Crook is showing off a Olympia SG3 that he has, I think, for sale. You can look at it on his website on typewriters101.weebly.com, and he shows the model after this, which has the rectangle logo and red eye, and also like some features, I think even more than this one. It's quite interesting. Let's see, it says Olympia here, and then on the back it has again Olympia, and then it's made in UT Seals Canada, distributors in Canada, and then it's made in patented in Wilhelmshaven in Germany. So that's interesting. Okay, this is all I wanted to share for now. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with if you have one of these machines. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.